Winter rains, burning forests, early summers, late winters, heavy rainfall, or sometimes no rainfall. Species are extincting. Confused what's happening? Worried about future times. Some are worried and some are anxious. Ecosystem is disturbed and some minds are anxious about it. We call it eco-anxiety. It's deeply painful to face what's happening on our planet right now. It's easy to feel helpless and totally overwhelmed, numb, disconnected, or maybe all at once. We see it around us. Environments depleted and humans causing all of it. Yet feeling powerless. What triggers anxiety more is the media, the coverage, the headlines leading the news or the article in a way which cannot be considered positive at all. Never let anything distract you. Be positive. But you know what? We can do this. Right? Yes, we can do this. You can do this. Be yourself, whatever it takes. Connect yourself with you first because it's always from inside out. We are all in this together. Work on fills at our levels. Get a vision, connection, community who feels same and is willing to work for same. Let's act. Let's work together. Change our anxiety into action together. We are brilliant beings and we have the capacity to meet these challenges with bravery and brilliance. We need each other to support each other. Take a deep breath. Let's take care of ourselves and let's meet this crisis together. Take care of our Mother Nature together.